Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this session, we'll solve this exponential problem. Here it is x is powered by negative 3 by 4 and that's equal to 1 by 8. Now let's solve this exponential problem. So here in the left hand side we have x is powered by negative 3 by 4. And what are the next step we can do? So here we'll write 8 as, we can write 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, right? So it is 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. So here it is 3 times 2, so we can write it as 2 powered by 3. So here it is 1 by 8, so we can write it as 1 over 2 powered by 3. Now moving forward, here it is x is powered by negative 3 by 4, right? Now here in the denominator we have power 2 powered by 3, so if we'll take this 2 powered by 3 in the numerator, the power value will be negative. Now look at here, so we can write this expression as 2 powered by negative 3, right? Now in the next step we'll have to remove this power value from the left hand side. So here it is negative 3 by 4. So power is negative 3 by 4. It is powered is x is powered by negative 3 by 4. For eliminating this negative power value we'll have to multiply it by reciprocal power. So here we'll multiply by negative 4 by 3, right? So that 4 and 4 will cancel and 3 and 3. So in the left hand side we have multiplied by negative 4 by 3, right? So in the right hand side we'll have to also write same power value. So here 2 powered by negative 3 is prior, and now we'll have to multiply it by negative 4 by 3, right? Now in the left hand side we have left with x only, because we can cancel negative and all the values are cancelled. So here it is x powered by 1. So in the left hand side it is x powered by 1, and that's equal to, in the right hand side we have, in the right hand side we have 2 powered by negative 3 earlier. So 2 powered by negative 3, and we'll have to multiply by this power, it is negative 4 by 3. So here 3 and 3 is cancelled. So here in the right hand side we have 2 powered by negative, and negative will be positive. So it is 2 powered by 4. So value of x is 2 powered by 4. So here it is 2 powered by 3 is 8. So we'll multiply it by one more 2. So that will be 8 to the 16. So it is 16. So here the value of x we have calculated is 16. So this is our final answer of this problem.